Baik, selamat malam. Pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan mau share tentang sustainability dalam transport dan logistik.
Transportation is responsible for a quarter of the world's global CO2 emissions. This is a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. About 3/4 of that is due to road transport. This means the cars and trucks that we use to get our goods and to move around. The world vehicle population is about 1.3 billion vehicles today, and it's expected to grow to 2 billion vehicles by year 2050. Freight transport demand is expected to grow 3 times around the same time frame. So the challenge is really how to address this growth and demand. How can we make sure that we fulfill these travel needs sustainably? So my research at SUTD looks at sustainable urban mobility. We are interested in different ways to reduce the environmental impact of transport in our city. One of the most recent projects we did was to look at freight transport or the movement of goods in the city. And we're thinking of different ways to optimize the movement. So one thing we found out through the research study was that trucks actually idle quite a fair bit and also are not fully loaded most of the time. And these are signs of inefficiencies that we're trying to correct. There are several things that we can do as an individual to reduce the environmental impact of transport. First is to avoid car travel wherever possible. So this means adopting virtual meetings instead of physical meetings, or walking, cycling, and taking public transport like the bus or MRT. If we were to take taxi or private higher rides, we can consider sharing the rides. The average car occupancy is only about 1.7 passengers, which is fairly low. A car can actually take on more passengers, so share the ride when you can. Another thing we can do if we were to opt for car travel is to consider using smaller or lighter vehicles that's more efficient than bigger and heavier ones, or even consider the use of hybrid vehicles, which are more efficient. In terms of online shopping, consumers can also make a difference by choosing maybe not so urgent deliveries or having their delivery sent to delivery lockers. So this reduces the risk of missed deliveries and extra trips that have to happen. So small choices like that can actually make a difference as well.
We at KION Group keep the world moving sustainably, efficiently, and safely, because we ourselves are moved by sustainability.
Sustainability is one of our top priorities. All of our employees are contributing to achieve our targets. And on top, our executives have sustainability incentives in their bonuses.
While e-commerce is booming and the number of shipped goods and parcels is continuously increasing, we have a clear vision: CO2 neutral warehouses. Our holistic sustainability approach ranges from being a good employer with clear standards to enhancing customer safety and increasing product efficiency.
Most essential, we align our business activities with our sustainability engagement. There are many good examples, like how we engineer product efficiency into our solutions, or how we do consistently environmental protection. But most important is we do this in all areas of our business and also including our supply chain partners. So we take environmental, social, and economical aspects in our actions and decisions. Doing this, we support our customers in achieving their sustainability targets. And we truly believe this is how we build sustainable businesses on the long run. How do we do it? We do have a sustainability strategy with concrete targets and measurable actions.
We are working within the strategic dimensions: people, products, and processes, from which we derived our sustainability focus topics. These topics were further broken down into key aspects such as accident frequency or total energy-related greenhouse gas emissions from our own operations. All the aspects do have defined KPIs, targets, and a stringent governance.
We work constantly to optimize material flows worldwide. From local, last mile, and micro-fulfillment solutions to developing cutting-edge lights-out warehouses, helping our customers to reduce their carbon footprint and protect their employees. With innovative technologies.
Smart technologies with a purpose. Reduce all environmental impact in intralogistic operations to be CO2 neutral, and smart technologies for health and safety for everybody engaged with our products.
In the end, all these technologies drive our vision: safe and CO2 neutral intralogistics and warehouses.
We are shaping a sustainable future to keep the world moving.
KION Group. We keep.
Manual processes and a lack of visibility into emissions make operating a sustainable supply chain a logistical challenge. Carbon-neutral supply chains are an essential component of a clean and healthy planet for future generations. So you need a system that enables you to easily stay on top of emissions and sustainability. Siemens Digital Logistics offers all the tools you need to gain visibility into emissions and enable more ecologically sustainable supply chain management. You can detect bundling and consolidation opportunities, enabling you to minimize emissions by reducing the number of necessary transports. Simulate freight routes and variables ahead of time to make smarter decisions on lead time, cost, and emissions. And design multimodal supply chain networks with sustainability in mind, using a digital twin approach. Additional Siemens consulting services will help you create the modern, digitally enabled logistics network you need in the 21st century. With Siemens Digital Logistics, you can reduce the carbon footprint of your entire supply chain, leading to a happier, healthier planet. Siemens Digital Logistics, smart IT solutions for an environmentally friendly supply chain.
Baik, terima kasih. Demikian tadi sedikit sharing tentang sustainability dalam bidang transportation dan logistik. Semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih.